Listen, that other brand is just not giving us the dual voltage styler we've been asking for. And if you snooze, you lose. The dupes are out. The dupes are good. The dupes are affordable. I love this styler. You guys have been eating it up ever since I shared it on my stories when I was in Switzerland in May. And now I'm in Bali and it's still killing the game. It has 8 different attachments. So I start with the round brush and I dry my roots super well. And I just do like a light, dry, kind of rough, smooth of the rest of my hair before I go in with the barrels. Don't forget your heat protectant. And I don't know why it just sounds or feels wrong, but I curl towards my face, not away from my face. And I just feel like it gives me the best volume and the best shape. So there's 2 barrels, of course, in opposite directions. So I flip depending on which side of my face I'm on, and I just curl towards my face. I have very high maintenance hair, and it really bums me out when I don't feel like I look my best on vacation, because I love being on vacation. And yeah, so I'm never going to stop raving about this product. Ugh, so happy. So, okay, I'm going to continue with the rest of my head except for like the front triangle, like my bangs and my face frame. I don't wash my hair very often. I go at least a week between washes. So I don't use a lot of products in general because I want my hair to stay clean. I don't like product buildup, but to style my bangs, at least with this first style after washing, I do put some mousse in my bangs and my face frame to really give me that volume and really hold it. The rest of it might not hold as well depending on the weather, but it holds pretty great. And then I usually do like a heatless roller before I go to bed at night, and I can just rock this hair for like a week. I really try to avoid products for that reason because my hair is high maintenance. I don't like washing it that much. So anyway, face frame and bangs, I only use the round brush. I don't use that barrel. I smooth it, I pull that tension up, I wrap the end with my fingers, and then I roll the brush all the way down to the base. Let it hold, flip it to cool so it holds, and then just unroll. Just wait for the bangs and the flip. It's very satisfying. Again, I'm rolling everything towards my face, not away, because I really want that root bump, that root volume. And then I flip it back. Look at that. That root lift is insane, and that's just from a little bit of mousse. If it was a special occasion, I would hairspray it too, and it would just stay sky high, but I try to go as natural as possible. So again, that clean hair will last. So I'm just using a wide tooth comb to just kind of shape it and break up the curls a little bit. A brush, I feel like sometimes makes the curls fall out, so I really like a wide tooth comb. But that's it. Just shape it around with your hands. And again, add some hairspray and it will just look bomb. Bomb.com. I love this. Oh, beautiful. All right, guys. I hope you guys love this. I hope this was helpful. Oh my God, I sound like my old YouTube videos now, which might be my calling to return to YouTube. I don't know. No promises. Follow if you're not following me. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.